Hello students, today I am going to explain the topic algorithm efficiency. First thing, what is the algorithm? An algorithm is a method or procedure for completing a specific task. Means if any problem is there, to solve that problem, whatever the step we follow, step by step instruction whatever we follow, that is called the algorithm. Second thing is the algorithm efficiency. So whatever the algorithm we follow to solve any problem, how much time is required to execute that algorithm, that is called the algorithm efficiency. Means algorithm efficiency is a measure of the average execution time necessary for an algorithm to complete work. Next one, we know that every problem have the different solution. Many solution is there. So if different solution is there, out of them which solution require the minimum time to solve our problem, means execute our program, that is called the efficient algorithm, efficient solution. So now today I am going to explain how to calculate total time required for execution of a program. Let us see the example. In Python module, one time module is there, that is the inbuilt module with the Python. So for calculating the total time required by a program, first we import time module. First we import the time module. Then suppose we want to print the number 1 to 10 using the for loop. So first we declare one variable start time is equal to time dot time function. Time function will calculate the time. Then for I in range 1 to 11, because we want to print the number 1 to 10. Then print I and is equal to blank. See here, from the line for our program is going to execute, and after printing 1 to 10 number our program is going to end. That's why here we declare one variable start time is equal to time dot time function. So from this line our time is going to calculate. After executing the loops, after execution of the program, then we calculate the end time. End time is equal to time dot time function. Time dot time function. Then we find the difference. Difference is equal to end minus start time. Then print total time taken. Total time taken DIF. Now execute the program. Then you see print the number 1 to 10. It will take the 0.0330300 millisecond. In this way we can calculate the total time required for execution of a program. So first we import the time module, that is the inbuilt module. When our program is going to start, before that we start the calculation of the time, and when program going to end, after that we calculate the end time. Then we will find the difference. Then we can know how much time is required to execute a program. Now second thing is, as we know, every problem have the different solution. Suppose for print a number, we can print a number 1 to 10 or 1 to n using the for loop and using the while loop. So now let us see which loop is the efficient loop. Suppose using the for loop, we make a function fl and we pass the number n. Then start time is equal to time dot time function. Time dot time function. Then for I in range 1 to n plus 1, because our loop execute less than 1. Then print I and is equal to blank. Then here our program is going to end. Then we calculate the ending time, time dot time function. Then we will find the difference. Difference is equal to end minus st. Then print total time taken total time taken is equal to diff. Now we declare one more function using the while loop, def while loop. Also pass the number, then initial variable I is equal to 1, then starting time is equal to time dot time function, then apply the while loop while I is less than equal to n, then print I end is equal to blank, then increment I is equal to I plus 1, then our program is going to end. Then we calculate the ending time, time dot time function, then difference is equal to end minus st. Now print the total time, print total time taken difference. Now execute the program. If we call the first function for loop and pass the number 10, then you see it will take 0.05 second. If we call the function while loop and pass the number 10, then you see it will take the 0.07. See, same program is there but different algorithm. We are printing the number 1 to 10 using the for loop and using the while loop. Program is the same but algorithm is the different. So which algorithm is the efficient? For loop algorithm is the efficient. It is not necessary always for loop is better than the while loop. It depends upon the problem to problem. So when we write a program, then we should consider which algorithm is the best, which method is the best, because our program is efficient when it will require less time for execution. So in this way we can calculate total time required for execution of an algorithm. This is the concept of the algorithm efficient. Which algorithm require the less time for execution, that is called the efficient algorithm. For calculating the total time, we need to use the time module. Just we need to write the import time. In this way we can calculate total time required by a program execution. Now you see here two program is there, factorial of a number. First program written by the recursion function and second program written by the loop using the for loop. Then you see the whatever the program using the recursion function, it will take 1.03 second, and whatever the program written by the for loop, it will take the 2.17 second. So in this program recursion function is better. This algorithm is the efficient algorithm because it requires the less time for execution of a program. So algorithm depend upon the problem. It is not necessary recursion always is better than the for loop, या for loop always better than the recursion. It depends on our requirement. So when we write a program, first we detail study which algorithm is the best, which algorithm requires less time for execution. So now I hope you understand how to calculate the time required for execution of a program. Thank you.